few minutes ago printer started to produce this strange sound. I suspect rails, but grease doesn't help. Stepper motors are not the case. As you can see, turn off doesn't stop that sound. Let's focus on these two fans. Turning off the smaller one doesn't do anything. Only this fan remaining. These 6 screws need to be removed. Cover can be removed by pulling off from downside. This is spare fan from German company with similar parameters. Finally, new fan, which is quicker than original one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.